Imagine a compound more powerful than resveratrol, hidden in the common blueberry. It's called pterostilbene, and in 2026, it's taking center stage in longevity science. For years, resveratrol was the king of sirtuin activators, but it had a major flaw. Resveratrol is notorious for low bioavailability. Only about 20% actually enters your system. Enter pterostilbene. Its unique chemical structure allows for 80% bioavailability. It's dimethylated, meaning it resists being broken down by your liver's defenses. This allows it to stay in your bloodstream for hours longer than its famous cousin. Today, we're diving into the latest 2026 data on why this molecule is a signal enhancer. New research from early 2026 has redefined pterostilbene as a signal fidelity enhancer. It doesn't just provide energy, it fixes the communication between your mitochondria and nucleus. As we age, this mitochondrial retrograde signaling breaks down, leading to cellular decay. Pterostilbene helps restore this signal, telling the cell to activate its internal repair systems. One major breakthrough involves the mitochondria. Think of it as a quality control team that clears out misfolded junk proteins in your cells. By amplifying this response, pterostilbene protects neurons from oxidative stress before damage occurs. This has massive implications for neurodegenerative conditions like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Perhaps the most shocking study of 2025 to 2026 involves reproductive aging and fertility. Researchers at Juntendo University found that pterostilbene could potentially rejuvenate aging eggs. In animal models, pterostilbene treatment significantly restored egg viability and birth rates. This works by restoring the voltage and ATP levels within the mitochondria of the oocytes. The study suggests that starting pterostilbene early could prevent the decline of egg quality. It's a literal recharge for the cellular engines responsible for life itself. While human trials are ongoing, the data points toward a new era of reproductive longevity. This isn't just about babies, it's a marker for how well the molecule repairs aging tissue. Most longevity supplements struggle to actually reach the brain, but pterostilbene is different. Because it is highly lipophilic, fat-soluble, it crosses the blood-brain barrier with ease. Once inside, it increases levels of BDNF, the miracle grow for your brain cells. A 2026 meta-analysis showed a 6% increase in memory recall for adults using a pterostilbene stack. It also targets inflammaging, the low-grade inflammation that fogs our thinking as we age. It inhibits COX enzymes, the same pathway targeted by some anti-inflammatory drugs. This makes it a potent tool for protecting against cognitive decline and mental fatigue. Imagine a supplement that not only protects your heart, but also sharpens your focus. Pterostilbene is a lone wolf, but it works best when paired with the right allies. The most common duo is pterostilbene and NAD+ boosters like NMN or NR. Think of NMN as the fuel for your sirtuins and pterostilbene as the gas pedal. Recent trials suggest that taking them together increases sirtuin activity by over 40%. You might also see it paired with quercetin to prevent the breakdown of these vital molecules. Another key partner is TMG, which ensures your body's methylation cycle stays balanced. When these compounds work in synergy, they cover multiple hallmarks of aging at once. This multi-pathway approach is the gold standard for longevity protocols in 2026. No supplement is a miracle, and pterostilbene has one specific side effect to watch. In some human trials, high doses of pterostilbene were linked to a slight rise in LDL cholesterol. This bad cholesterol increase was noted at doses around 100 milligrams to 250 milligrams per day. Interestingly, this effect often disappeared when pterostilbene was taken with grapeseed extract. If you are monitoring your lipid profile, this is a crucial factor to discuss with your doctor. However, for many, the metabolic benefits for blood sugar and weight loss outweigh this risk. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, similar to the effects of calorie restriction. Balance is key. More isn't always better when it comes to potent bioactivators. So, how much should you take? Current consensus points toward 50 milligrams to 150 milligrams daily. Higher doses, up to 250 milligrams, are considered safe but may trigger the cholesterol issues mentioned. To maximize absorption, you should always take pterostilbene with a meal containing fat. Since it is fat-soluble, taking it on an empty stomach is largely a waste of the supplement. Morning versus night? Most experts suggest the morning to align with your circadian rhythm. Pair it with your morning coffee or breakfast to jumpstart your cellular repair pathways. Can you get it from food? Yes, but you'd need to eat roughly 500 cartons of blueberries a day. For longevity benefits, a high-quality trans-pterostilbene supplement is usually necessary. We are moving away from anti-aging toward cellular optimization and health span. Pterostilbene represents the next generation of highly targeted, bioavailable polyphenols. As 2026 progresses, expect more data on its ability to reverse markers of biological age. Stay informed, stay healthy, and keep your cellular engines running at peak performance.
Don't let your battery fade. Boost your NAD and recharge your life. Look into the science of NMN today.